7 horizontal lines and 7 vertical lines intersect at 49 points. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A49 are 49 points of intersection in the figure. Distance between every two consecutive horizontal line is 1 unit. Distance between every two consecutive vertical line is 1 unit. If this point and this point lie at a distance of 1 unit, then these 2 points are friends of each other. This point and this point will also be friend of each other, but this point and this point will not be friend, because the distance between these 2 points is root 2 unit. 1 unit, 1 unit, then diagonal will be root 2 unit. That means if 2 points are situated at a distance of 1 unit, either along horizontal line or along vertical line, then they are friend. Otherwise they are not friend. A point out of these 49 points is selected at random. Then number of sample space will be 49. Number of sample space will be 49. Any one point can be selected. We know that probability of any event E is equal to number of E by number of S. That means probability of any event E will be number of E by 49. A random variable x is defined as number of friends of randomly chosen point. Randomly chosen one point. When value of x is 0, that means a randomly chosen point has 0 friend. In this figure, it is obvious that there is no any point who has 0 number of friend. Therefore, probability will be 0 by 49 means 0. When value of x is equal to 1, then probability of x is equal to 1 will be the points, number of points that has 1 friend. There is no any point in this figure that has exactly 1 friend. That means 0 number of such point. Therefore, probability will be 0 by 49. When x is 2, then probability of x will be number of point that has exactly 2 friends are these 4 points. These 4 points. This point, this point, this point, and this point. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 2 will be 4 by 49. When x is equal to 3, then probability of x, this point, 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 this point. Total there are 20 points, each of which has 3 friends. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 3 will be 20 by 49. When x is equal to 4, then probability of x remaining points, this point, 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 these points, each of remaining point has 4 friends. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 4 will be 25 by 49. Expectation of x is equal to sigma xi pi. That means 0 times 0 plus 1 times 0 plus 2 times 4 by 49 plus 3 times 20 by 49 plus 4 times 25 by 49. This implies expectation of x is equal to 24 by 7. When we shift this 7 on the left hand side, we get 7 times expectation of x is equal to 24. If 2 points are chosen randomly out of these 49 points of intersection, then number of sample space will be 49C2, that is equal to this 24 times 49. If E be the event that randomly selected 2 points are friend, then number of E will be randomly selected 2 points will be friend if those 2 points lies, that means are situated at a distance of 1 unit along horizontal line or along vertical line. First we consider how many consecutive points lying at a distance of 1 unit are there on this last horizontal line. One pair, one combination of 2 points. Second combination of 2 points, third combination of 2 points, fourth combination of such 2 points, fifth combination, sixth combination. There are 6 combination of 2 points on this last horizontal line such that the 2 points lie at a distance of 1 unit, therefore they are friend. Since there are 6 such combination of 2 points on this last horizontal line and there are 7 such horizontal line, therefore number of such points will be 6 times 7. The 2 consecutive points lying on this vertical line are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 7 such vertical lines. Therefore, number of combination will be 6 times 7. 6 times 7 plus 6 times 7 means 6 times 7 times 2. P is probability of E. It is given in the question that P is probability of E, but probability of E is number of E by number of S. That means this by this, this by this. This gives 7P is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.50.